Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My espresso machine no longer makes aromatic and strong coffee. A possible cause could be this little grate near the water valve. Before I start, I turn off the power, then remove the water bowl and basin from the front. The blocked grate prevents the water from building up the necessary pressure. Now I am going to show you how to take it off and clean it. You only need a screwdriver with shorter handle but wider at the tip. A fourth is required to loosen the bolt. Once loosened, carefully unscrew. Note that there is a spring. Carefully remove the bolt with the spring and the valve. We release the trainer and see how dirty and clogged it is. This is due to the natural oil separates from the coffee. To clean it, I put it in the glass and spray with degreaser. I wait and wash with soft sponge. A small brush can also be used to unclog any holes. It is now clean. I put it together as it was. It's a bit difficult because it has to push the spring to screw the bolt. Let's make espresso. The result is superior. Strong and aromatic coffee again. You can do it yourself. Bye bye.